It was loud when I put it on, it was loud when I took it off. Again, I went to the Trailmax Mission that I'm on now, and they're practically silent in comparison. So I would not pick that front tire for any kind of distance on the pavement. Even with my headphones in, even playing music on my Cardo, I absolutely always heard that tire more than I heard anything else. It was very annoying. Just another reason why I'm not going with that on the front. But again, the rear, unless you have an incredibly quiet exhaust, I never even knew it was there. No problems whatsoever. Now, more about them on the pavement. I know people are going to buy these for mostly off-road because they are a very aggressive 50/50 tire, but you're going to, like me, you're going to ride on the pavement. They're good to great. It doesn't look like it with the side knobs, but you can lean those tires very, very comfortably. This bike is a street platform, and you get to ride it like a street bike. It will lean over and it will have a great time in the twisties. And for a 50/50 tire, they're fantastic. Again, not as good as Trailmax Missions, but we'll review those later.